Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kendall and today I'm going to show you how you can make some affordable fall decor items with just these few things from Dollar Tree and Walmart. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to be making is a buffalo check pumpkin with some fabric and this styrofoam pumpkin that I picked up from Dollar Tree. The fabric is from Walmart. I'll try and link everything below. So the first thing you want to do is remove the stem. It's just on a toothpick, so it comes out pretty easy. And then next thing, if you have an X-Acto knife and you haven't broken the blade on every single one like I have, you're going to use that. But if not, you're just going to use an old steak knife and cut a circle in the top. You can kind of just cut, if you can see where the stem was before, just kind of cut there. We need somewhere for the fabric to stick into. Well, it's hollow and I got that piece stuck in there, but it's fine. Once you've got your fabric laid out, bring the edges up and you just want to try and figure out what size you're going to need to cut in order to fit it all around the pumpkin and tuck it into the hole we cut. Just add a couple dots of hot glue as needed throughout and pull it tight. Okay, so I've got the fabric wrapped all around my pumpkin and I think it looks pretty good. But we still need a stem, and this styrofoam stem really is not going to cut it. So I went out into my yard and got a few sticks, and I'm just going to break them and then hot glue them right on top. And there you go, a buffalo check pumpkin. Okay, so next we're going to be making some more fabric pumpkins with these smaller pumpkins that I picked up, as also from Dollar Tree. They're glittery, but we're not going to be using them for their glitter. So same idea, this time I'm also going to be using white fabric as well as the buffalo check. Just want to pop those stems off again, cut a hole. Cut your fabric to size. So now that I've got my pumpkin all wrapped in the fabric, I'm going to go ahead and stick the stem right back on top. So there we have it, our first white fabric pumpkin. Next up, we're going to be making some garland. I like to hang garland over my mantle. I got both of these packs of 5 leaves from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so now that I've gotten everything unpackaged, I think I'm just going to be pairing them like this, with the larger dark green leaf on the bottom and the smaller one on top. And I'm just going to add a little spot of hot glue at the top to connect them, because this is how I would like them to hang. And we'll use this wiry stuff on the back to hang them. We'll just twist those two together. So to twist them together on the back so that I can string them, I'm just going to pull one of the wires lower than the other so that it makes kind of a loop. Okay, and then I'm just going to take these two and twist them together. And I've ended up with something like this that I can string on hemp. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this for all 5 and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've got all my leaves glued together and now the last part is just to string them. This is just 2mm hemp. And there we have it, an easy fall fireplace banner, all with things that I got at the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe below. And stay tuned for my next video where I decorate my house for fall.